All right, here we go. We're going to start this video. All I need to do is take this tire off. I don't have the one I want to put back on. Dunlop MX33. I rode it 3 or 4 times. Gonna sell it online. Great tire. Works well. A lot of different places. I like to get a few rides out of them and then sell them and put them on for people, right? I got the business of blending up the tire changing paste. So what I like to do is just ride 3 or 4 times on them, put them on Marketplace, you know, get $40 out of it. And let's go over the tools right fast. So I've got irons right here. I've got a battery driven Ryobi air pump. Love that thing. It's easy to take everywhere with you. One charge will get you a dozen tires, right? I do trackside support with it. I don't need to drag a big air compressor. Oh yeah, here's my valve stem core remover, 12mm on a ratchet, and the special paste. I got it everywhere. So I just get that out. Now here we go. So I did the nut, the cap, loosen that up, just took it to, you know, I got like 1 thread still showing there. Plenty enough where it moves around. Let out all the air. Okay, at this point, oh yeah, the spoons, I've got some cheaper ones that I bought dozens of years ago. I really don't like them. Like, I'm gonna go over them every video just to drive the point home. So Motion Pro really does their homework on that tip shape right there. Hopefully the background can tell the difference there. Let's find some different, there we go, that's a good background. So that thinness right there and shape is just so much better. So we take right here, help break it down off the bead. All right, break it down. There it goes. Moving on around a little. Usually once you get that first one, the rest of them follow suit pretty quick. All right. And I'm putting it right in there and right on a lug, right? And then here, if that hasn't let go yet, give it a little work. Right, and make sure it's down right there. I got this side done. Flip it over. I'm using a portable stand. My normal stand-up stand's in my work van, the moto van. So I don't really, this portable one's okay. Every once in a while, it fits a pinch. I used to keep it in my moto van. Now I keep a full size. So here we go, second side, same as the first. Oh, about missed. Kind of work that down there. Once you hear that pop, then I know it's down off there. Give your valve stem a little work. Push it in. See how I use that leverage there like that. Working on around. It's kind of late, so I'm kind of talking kind of quietly. It's after 9 o'clock. Kids and wife are in bed, and I'm getting some work in. You know, you got to fit it in, keep that balance. Keep that family work-play balance in check. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the rim lock 9 o'clock. Then I'm going to start at 12 o'clock for my first bite and work my way counterclockwise right on past that. So what I'm going to do is, let's get the camera angle right. I like to put 3 of mine in on a rear right off the bat. And they're only a palm's width apart. Alright. I'm gonna go over here and put another one right here. And since I don't have my gloves and I'm only using 8 inchers and I have the luxury, I'm gonna put 4 of them puppies in there right off the bat. Rear is not fun, right? So what I'm gonna do is my hand's over here. I'm gonna push down so it gets in the drop center on this side, and then directly across from it, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna keep my palm open too because I'm going towards the sprocket, right? And I don't have my gloves on. So let's see if I can get this chest mount to show it all. But I'm going to pull. Kind of a tough pull. Alright, let's see. Not sure if that's good. That one's a tough pull, right? These 4 are the hardest 4 of the whole gig, really. Open palm. And tuck it under. So, basically, this one will do both hands, watch. But they're open hands. Get my palm on it, show my fingertips. There, see? It slammed down, but since my hand was open, no big deal. Alright? No big deal. And the other ones fell out already. So here we are, number 4. Still gonna be pretty tough. Alright? See? Open palm. Open palm's key to that. Now, the tire stays there, and I can just work my way around. So here I'm gonna use my Motion Pro, not GoPro. Motion Pro, the rest of the way around. And since right here is the rim lock, so I'm gonna skip 2 spokes past it. Right? You don't want to tear your rim lock up, so go 2 spokes past it. And then open palm. And it'll get much easier from here on out. You get that initial pressure out of the way, they get a lot easier. I hope this is helping show the angles of this work. It's easy. So I've been working on a saying. If you can change your air filter, you can change your oil, you can change your tire. It's just as easy. You can change your air filter, you can change your oil, you can change your tire. Basic skill. Basic off-road skill. So second side, same as the first. I'm gonna spin it. I'll put that 9 o'clock, start at 12 o'clock, work my way around counterclockwise. I guess you could do 3 o'clock and work it in a clockwise fashion, but I'm left-handed, so some things I do are a little backwards, being left-handed. So the first thing I did right there is I gave that some work and put it right up in the drop center, right? So I've got maximum slack over there already. Okay, so having that 4, a little tougher to do this time because there's a little bit more slop in it right now. So I'm just going to do 2. I put them in there kind of at the same time. Still open palm, even though it's brake rotor. That's a big deal. Open palm's a big deal. You can still bust a knuckle on that stud. Nobody needs a busted knuckle over this. Those first few are always the booger. After you get them first 2 or 3, you're in the clear then. Excuse me. So right there. 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 I keep dropping it. Okay. When you get to that last bit, what you want to do is sink it all the way down through there. All the way down. So there's only a couple inches there. And then push on it like that. Get that gap. Right there, right? As good as you can get that gap. Pressure like that. Now watch. Okay, we're gonna stick it down here on the floor. Get my camera angle. And sometimes you can go like this and bounce the wheel down really good. Or you can push on the brake rotor and get it in there. See, look at how much air gap there is now. That's a huge gap. And then what you do, grab a hold of it. I'm kind of not angled right. There. Now you can see it. Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to put this back up there, sprocket side down.